walking exercise that we just did, and we added a small shunt. Did everyone do the shunt on the end? Everyone added that in? If you haven't, add that in. Now we're going to walk without walking. And it's pretty literal. You're going to take the same feeling of grabbing your partner and walking with your partner and just walk with your mind in energy. Just keep everything doing this with your partner as you go forward, and do it once, physically walk, and then walk without walking. But your mind has to go, your energy has to go, your feeling has to go and walk, but your physical body stays here. So what do we know about Qi? Qi follows the mind. If the mind's walking out there and it knows the pattern of moving, and your arms are stretching like spaghetti all the way, no, spaghetti's a terrible analogy, like elastic bands all the way out, then your energy is going to do that. So we want to move the energy. That last exercise, when you walk, it makes all the energy move. And everything starts to work because the matrix are moving, the balance is moving, the energy is moving, your partner's moving, and everything is opening up. Now we take that into just your standing and you walk without walking. Have a play with it, ask questions, and I'll walk around and give each person a feel as best I can.